And tomorrow is Saturday. Your class is on. There is a class tomorrow. Okay, you have to join at the same time, 9:30.
मम्मा को एक दिन फ्री दे दो। जी। मैम
Yes, Laksh.
वर्कशीट करे।
हाँ, करनी तो है वर्कशीट, बट मैम का नेट स्लो है ना, सो इट इज नॉट ओपनिंग.
मैम
Okay,
डाली
you.
क्वेश्चन।
Oh, very fast, Laksh.
मैम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन करूं।
Okay, class, you can start doing the worksheet. Okay, at least start doing question 1. Ma'am का open होते ही ना, we can do the answers. We will check the answers. Okay, whether you have written correctly or not. Okay, so you can start doing your worksheet till then. Class, please start doing the question number 1. Okay, the first picture, the second picture, you have to just circle the correct one.
मैम
यस बच्चा.
क्वेश्चन नंबर राइटिंग डाउन.
Class, I was not able to open the worksheet. So what we can do, I'm telling you the answers and you can check it out. Okay? Just
Yes,
give.
ma'am. They are doing.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Anybody who don't have the worksheet, ऐसा कोई है? Everybody has your worksheet.
Yeah, Vedika has worksheet.
Okay, 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 ma'am. Thank you. So now, after finishing the worksheet, just please let me know so we can check the answers. Okay, class.
Sure.
Okay, Vedika. You all are able to do. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Okay.
Ma'am, 2 page done.
2 page done. Very good. So question 1 and question 2 you are done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, bacha.
Ma'am,
Yes, Laksh.
third question done.
Third question is also done. You are able to do बच्चा. आपको आ रहा था. It is not difficult because it's a शब्द तोड़कर लिखो. आ रहा था आपको?
Yes.
Okay, then good. Now complete the question number 4.
Ma'am,
From down you have to find out the correct word for the picture. हाँ बच्चा.
करूँ?
खुद क्या? Sorry.
घर
नो बच्चा, नो। नहीं नहीं बच्चा, चलेगा चलेगा, नो नीड टू रीड, यू जस्ट फिनिश योर क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, ओके?
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Your microphone is off, I think.
Ma'am, your mic is off. मैम आ लिखना है कि आ लिखना है?
मैम 4th में आ ओनली लिखना है कि पूरा आम लिखना है इसको? मैम यू आर नॉट ऑडिबल.
मैम done.
Yeah, ma'am. We are got it, ma'am.
मैम done.
Okay, Laksh. Show me your worksheet, Laksh. Okay, correct. Correct, Laksh. So, Laksh, you are able to do all the answers? आपको सारा आया? Okay.
Can I leave?
Okay, बच्चा, you can leave.
Bye.
You can just click the pictures of your worksheet and please send it to me, okay? Even I request everyone to click the pictures of your worksheet and please send it to me.
ओके ओके।
Yeah,
मैम
thank
वो
you.
कल आपने एक लिंक भेजा था, उस पे क्या करना है?
Ma'am, you have to just join the link. It is about you will get a certificate if you will sing the national anthem song. So, like it is not compulsory, but if you will do, then that's good. आप भी कर
तो
सकते हो
लक्ष्य
इवन
को वो गाना है ना?
नहीं नहीं आप भी कर सकते हो लक्ष्य भी कर सकता है कोई कंपलसरी नहीं है कि इस बच्चे को ही गाना है
अच्छा ओके ओके
दिस इज फॉर एवरीवन
ओके।
या
थैंक
मैम
यू।
ओके
बाय।
बाय you are done
No, ma'am.
बच्चा then mute your microphone yes Vedika
Ma'am, done.
done show me correct Vedika good very nice perfect very well done Vedika very nice nicely written even the handwriting is good
Thank you, ma'am.
okay बच्चा Khanak, you have to write, no need to talk. How much is left, class, to finish your page?
I'm at last page.
Okay. निवान खुद से लिखना है. हाँ. Okay, here we can do one thing, class. The one who has finished till questions of all the worksheet, that's good. The one who is left to complete, you can complete it at home and you can send me the pictures. Okay, so we are ending our Hindi class here. And who has to join for reading class, you just wait here. I'll rejoin the meet once again.
Wait.
Okay, I'm waiting.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Yes. Danish done the worksheet? Very good, Danish. The last question you have done, right?
नहीं मैम उसका लास्ट पेज ही बाकी है, बाकी हो गए हैं.
Okay, okay. Because it was not visible properly. It's okay, Danish. You can complete that last question at home. Okay?
This one page.
Yes, correct.
Two page करके दूँगा. Bye.
Bye, bacha.
Ma'am,
Then please, the class is over. Okay. Ayansh done? Very nice. Good.
लास्ट ही बाकी है, वो कर नहीं रहा है.
Prayag, finish it. Bye, Ayansh. Hriday, Khanak. Okay, Hriday. Okay, the first question. Second.
Ma'am, done more.
Done? Okay. Yes. The last one. Did you finish the last one also, Hriday? Okay, very good. Very nice. Nicely written, huh? Handwriting is also good, bacha.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, Khanak. Okay, bye. Yes, Khanak, show me. Very nice, Khanak. Your handwriting is very good.
I did all of them. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, bacha. Class, just wait here. I will rejoin the meet, okay?
Hi, Vedika. Hi, Vedika. Hi. Hi, Anvi. Hello. Yes. How are you? I'm fine.
Okay, Vedika and Yanvi. Yeah, thank you for waiting. Now I'm sharing you the screen. We can do the reading, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Are you able to see my screen? Yanvi and Vedika?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, yes, bacha? It's visible to you, Yanvi and Vedika?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so first of all, ma'am is reading the story family, I family words, okay? And then afterwards you will read. So, the first of all, ma'am is reading. The big pig. The pig is big. He is wearing a wig. The pig, W-I-L-L, it's will dig in the mud. Do you see the big pig? Then the second story is Happy Birthday Pip. Today Pip is 6. She will sit and get her gift. It is a new kit. She will play. Play. It's a blend word. Okay. Play with her new kit. Okay. Now Vedika, we will start with you, bacha. You will read.
The big pig.
Yes.
The big is big.
Hmm.
See.
The
Third line, Vedika.
big is
Where is big, Vedika? What are you reading? This
Third
is not.
line. You are at third line.
the pig is big.
Hmm.
He is
Hmm. ब्रेक करके बोलो. हाँ. Ma'am,
Ma'am?
your screen is not visible.
Yeah. He is
Ing. तो क्या बनेगा? Wearing.
wearing
हाँ.
a wig.
yes.
Wig. The pig will
Hmm.
take
Yes.
in
Yes.
the mud.
Very good. Last line.
Do
Hmm.
you see the big pig?
Correct. Next. Happy
Wait.
birthday, Pip.
Where is the screen? Wait. हाँ. बोलो. बस वेदिका.
Happy birthday, pig.
Hmm.
Not pig.
Yes.
See.
Pip.
Pig. Pig.
Yes.
Yes.
Happy birthday, pig.
Hmm. Today.
Today को join करके.
Today
हाँ.
pig is
Not pig. वेदिका. See properly.
Pip.
Yes.
Today Pip is 6.
Hmm.
She will sit
Loud.
and
Hmm.
get
Correct.
Gift
Correct.
to
No, not to. IT.
IT.
it. It
Yes. Hmm.
is a
NEW.
new
Yes.
kit.
Yes.
She
Hmm.
will
Hmm.
play.
Yes.
Play. Play.
Yes.
Hmm.
WITH. With
Hmm. Hmm.
AER.
ए नहीं है वेदिका, HER अभी मैम ने बोला था ना, HER
HER.
हर.
Her.
Hmm.
NEW. New
Hmm.
kit.
Very good, Vedika. Very good. Good. Very nice. Now, Yanvi Bacha, your turn. Yanvi? Yanvi, are you there? Yanvi? Vedika?
Yes
Ma'am,
ma'am.
I am.
Uh, it's not visible.
Yanvi is not visible ma'am.
Okay.
Yan will not.
Okay, Vedika Bacha, you are done, so you can leave the class. Okay, no problem.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, Bacha. Very well done.
Ma'am,
Yes,
Yan
Yanvi.
will now come.
Yes, Yanvi. Yanvi, please unmute your microphone.
Yes.
Okay, now I'm sharing you the screen, Bacha. You will read. Okay, Yanvi?
Okay, ma'am.
Can you see the screen, Yanvi?
Yes.
Okay, Bacha. Please read.
The
Hmm.
big pig.
Correct.
The pig is
Hmm.
big.
Very good.
Is
Hmm. Is wearing. Wearing.
very
Wearing.
wearing a
Huh? Wig. WIG is the wig.
with
Hmm. Next line.
the
Huh?
pig
Yes. The pig will. WILL.
will
Will.
will
Huh?
sit
Dig.
dig in
Hmm.
the mud
Very good. Last line.
odd
Hmm.
odd you
Hmm.
see the big pig.
Hmm. Next story is Happy Birthday.
Happy
Pip.
birthday, Pip.
Hmm. TODAY. Today.
Today, Pip
Hmm.
is 6.
Very good. She will.
We will sit
Huh?
and
Huh?
get
Hmm.
our
Her. Her.
her gift.
Yes. Then.
It is a
Hmm.
new gift.
Very good. Last line, Yanvi. She will.
we will play with her
Hmm.
new kit.
Very good, Yanvi. Very good. Correct. So, Vedika. Okay. Vedika and Yanvi, both of you, very well done. Very nicely you have read. Okay. So here we are ending our reading class. Both of you. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, bacha. Good. Have a nice day.